All right, here we go. We're at Tamarack again. Let this go down a little bit. That's the shit we get. There we go. Now we're in. Oh yeah, we're out. Got another friend out here today. I'm getting ready to go in. He's giving me a look. Any fish out here? Where are they at? Because I couldn't find them. And the landing is not looking fun. Well, it was almost a skunk. I got one, I don't know, 13-inch sand bass, 14 maybe. I was lucky. And a dink. And that was it. I think the water's just too churned up. It's still kind of stained. I gotta start paying attention here to what's going on with the swells. I think that last one was a set wave, and that was the one that I want to jump on. Yeah, that's bad. Turn around here on this guy. He's gonna take me out. Oh shit. If I'm gonna make it, I'll go for it. Dig deep, okay, man. Dig deep. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. Just keep pumping it, buddy. Get ready to jump. Okay. Nice work, buddy. Whoa. Timed that just right.